Miss Anello's kindergarten class, are you ready?
Yeah!
Earth astronauts have traveled to a faraway planet named Collegiate. They followed a signal that told them someone was in trouble. The astronauts all agreed that they needed to go and see how they could help. Wow, this sure is a strange place. I wonder who said the signal for help. Wait, what's that over there? It looks like a tunnel. Where do you think it goes? Yeah, let's find out. It sure looks dark in there. We'll be okay if we go one step at a time and use our lamp. We'll follow right behind each other to make sure we stay safe. I'll go first because I'm excited to see what we'll find. Hello there, don't worry, we won't hurt you. Were you the ones that called for help? We did. We've been trapped on this planet for a long time. It feels like it's been months and months. Oh, now who are you? How have you been staying safe? It is one supposed to say One and Yoing, so you can just call us the Edge. We've been taking shelter in this cove since our ship crashed here. Well, it's nice to meet you, Ed. Thank goodness you found this cove. We were really lucky. But we can't survive here much longer. Maybe we could go back to where we came from soon. Let's run with your ship. Maybe we can help you fix it. We can't figure it out. Everything looks okay, but it won't start. I'm good at fixing things. Do you want me to take a look at it? That would be great. It's right back here. Wait a minute. How did you get your whole ship through that little tunnel? We carried it, of course. How else would we get it in? But it couldn't fit. We can just Google it when we get home. Does anyone have a number 3 Allen wrench? I only carry a number 7, sorry. We have some paper clips. And some rubber bands. Some kind of duct tape in the tunnel. Is she okay back there? Yeah, she does this all the time. Our ship was pretty tiny until Gracie joined the crew. Now I have 3 levels. And a disco. A disco? What's a disco? It's like a fun silence, but with alarms and bells that ring all the time. That doesn't sound very fun. But it is good exercise. I think I found the problem. He must have gotten in the ship and fell asleep in the coils where it's warm. Thank you so much for fixing all this. Now we can leave and go home. But it's similar to the coast as the ship lifted off. The astronauts waited for happy that everyone was safe now is to go home to give all the family and friends great big hugs.
while our battles are going. Come on, baby, come on out. I can't tell you, I'm sure you know this. Ms. Anello doesn't need a mic. I'm sure you know this, but I am so super proud of them. They learned all their lines. We wanted to play with a lot of props, and we figured it all out. I really want to thank the parents. This was a lot for them to learn, and they wanted to do it, and they couldn't have remembered everything, and they couldn't have put all this emotion into it without all the parents. Thank you so much.